Hey guys, this is a spoof or a parody off of the Potter Puppeteers song, The Mysterious Ticking Noise. We love this song and we're just doing it in our own way, so hope you guys enjoy. All rights reserved to you guys, okay? So here we go.
What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. Kinda depressing. Edward Cullen. Edward Cullen. Edward Cullen. This one! Edward Cullen. This one! Edward Cullen. This one!
Alice.
Edward Cullen.
Alice.
This one!
Alice. Alice.
Edward
Alice.
This
Alice.
one!
Alice.
Edward Cullen. This
Alice.
one!
Alice. Alice.
Edward Cullen.
Alice.
This
Alice.
one!
Alice.
Edward Cullen. This one! Edward Jacob. Edward Jacob. Edward Jacob. Edward Jacob. Edward.
This one! Alice Cullen.
Jacob. I'm Jacob Black. Jacob. I'm Jacob Black. Alice.
Edward Cullen. This one! Edward Cullen. This one! Edward Cullen. This one! Edward Cullen. This one!
Alice. Singing a song all day long with Twilight. I found the source of the mysterious ticking. Edward's finally got a heart. Yay! Voltry, Voltry. Boom, 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 boom.
Hope you guys enjoyed, so I'm just going to let this run for a little while, just in case you guys are still watching. You can comment while this is going, but this is just a part where we, have problems with our camera, and so we just want to get it to load fully. So we'll get some music on in the background, maybe. You want to do that? And we'll just let a song sit for you guys while you can post some comments for us below and what you think of it. And we're not Twilight big fans. She's obsessed, but I'm not. But I just thought it'd be fun to do something like this. So I hope you enjoyed. So we're just gonna honor the Potter Puppeteers, and this is Alice.
Harry Potter puppet pals, you idiot.
Okay, well, this girl here played the Bella Swan and Jacob Black, and I was Edward and Alice. Okay, so we're just gonna honor the Puppeteers right now.
Bye.
No. We have to get this just in case it doesn't load fully.
I need to